What's up, guys? Spider Omen 87 here, and these are baby chickens, about a week old, I would say. Um, so they're kind of scared. This won't be a very long video, though. So I'm not gonna go ahead and take that net off. I'm not going to because I just don't need to. Benjamin, aren't they adorable? I have bigger ones. I may show you that another time, but yeah, aren't they adorable? I love them. See, they're talking to you. They love you. Aww. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a like. And if you love these little guys, go ahead and give this a like and a comment and a subscribe. And if you don't like them, then you can still do all that stuff. But I think they're cute. And I hope to see you guys later. And goodbye.